Hey guys, today's video we're going to be going through the best deals with this Saturday's 5 off of 25 over at the Dollar General. I will not be tackling the Gain deals, and we'll talk about that in a quick second. But even if you are a big shopper at Walgreens or one of the other stores that I cover, it might be your weekend to dip your toe into the waters that are the Dollar General. These are extremely newbie-friendly, 100% digital deals. Anyone can do them. The beauty of the Dollar General is that every month they have the full complement of the August P&G, so all of the Tide, all of the Gain, all of the magical coupons. Yes, you only get one of each, but you can stack them to get to $25 and to make it happen. Why not try one of these deals? You have nothing to lose, especially if it's digitals. And why not build your stockpile? We're living in such an unpredictable time that even if you're spending $7 or $8 for some of these goods, yes, you will be using them. And if we get stuck in our home with another lockdown, it's good to have these, in your home stockpile. For a lot of you that just come here for the Gain deals, why I'm not specifically doing it is this coupon is a one-time use and it is expiring on Saturday. And on Sunday, a new one will be showing up, but I know most of us have probably used our digital coupon. So I do have some Gain stuff in this video, but I don't have a specific Gain video this week. So hopefully that makes sense. So we're going to be having that new booster showing up on Sunday, August the 2nd for Gain. So obviously loaded it is of a one-time use. So like a really good gambler, I'm sure a lot of you the first 2 weeks of July probably used it. So it's kind of like making a video just because I know a lot of you just can't partake because you use 100% digital coupons. But that being said, there's still some great information and great Gain deals this week with the 5 off of 25. So this is the coupon that we're looking at. It is of a one-time use, so once per store card. So if you're using both yours and your husband's or, mom's or whatever, you can do 2 deals, but it's once per store card that's connected to your phone number. So specifically for this, you got to get to $25 of merchandise before a single coupon is used. Use the Dollar General app to scan your merchandise in store to make sure that it's ringing up for the cost that we're discussing. The last thing you want is that you're 5 cents off and then 5 off of 25 doesn't come off, because that's very disheartening. Bring a pad of paper and pen in the store to make sure that your math is really balancing. You really got to pay attention when you're in the store too, because the fun and the bad part of it is that the devil is in the details. So the first time you're not paying attention, it's going to cost you. And that's like just fundamental at Dollar General shopping. You always have the option to void your transaction, like say something doesn't work out or you're really overpaying or something just was a swing and a miss. Void it. You have no issues. And let's not forget that I'm here in Michigan, so these are going to be reflective of this region. I'm going to link this video at the very end. It's just the basics on how to use the app to scan stuff in store to see the coupons that are attaching plus the cost. And please watch this video, especially if you're new. And this tool alone will answer all your questions for Dollar General shopping. So it is a very important tool to use in store. For a lot of you who want to know what's going on with Pumpkin, what's the story, he actually ran away from home earlier this week. And he said he was going to get a job in construction, doing some carpentry or drywall work or something. He said that he didn't want to live with me anymore because the food was terrible at my house and he just didn't like it, and he was going to go and do his own thing. So my understanding is that he's on the I-75 somewhere, probably going south or north. I don't know. So maybe you guys can let me know in the comments if you've seen him on the road. It's certainly hurtful when you're, cat son does this sort of thing and says that you're cooking so terrible that he has to run away, but that's what we're working with this week. Okay guys, deal number 1 is 100% digital. I think the first 3 are 100% digital. You need your cornerstone, which is the 5 off of 25. We're also going to be grabbing one of these Purex 4-in-1s. It's the pods. They're $3 a pop. And then we have this $2 that is in fact attaching. We're grabbing one of these Venus kits of the razors. They're 7. We have a wonderful $4 coupon. How generous is that? We're also getting the men's for $8.50. It's a whole bunch of razors. And then we have this wonderful $4 coupon that's also attaching to that. And then for the Gain fans, we're going to grab some Flings for $3.95. We have this very generous $2 coupon that's attaching to it. We're also going to grab some fireworks for $3.95. And again, we have this really nice $2 coupon that's affixing to it. Okay, let's look at the math. We're grabbing one of those Purex pods for $3 on the nose, a Venus razor pack for $7, a Gillette razor pack for $8.50, again Flings for $3.95, again Fireworks for $3.95. Adding all of that wonderful merchandise up together, you have a total of $26.40. Immediately after the cashier scans your fireworks, before she can do anything or he or she can do anything, you say, I want to punch in my phone number. You do that right away. And then when they press that pay button, all these coupons will start aggregating to subtract from your balance, including the 5 off of 25 Saturday, and then the $14 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $7.40 out of pocket. This excludes your tax. $7.40 for the 5 items basically shakes it out to $1.48 each. Let's not forget, with the purchase of the Gain and the razors, a lot of this stuff qualifies with P&G Good Every Day. Grab a photo of that, upload it to that website for gift cards and donations to various groups, and it's just a win-win-win. Okay, the next deal that we have again is 100% digital. You need your cornerstone, which is the 5 off of 25. So make sure that you have that guy loaded. And for all the parents out there, we're going to be grabbing a bag of the Luvs diapers for $6.50. We have this very generous $1.50 coupon that showed up, so please make sure you load that one. We're also going to be grabbing a bag of the Flings for $3.95. We have the wonderful $2 coupon that's also attaching to this product. Fireworks also for $3.95. And then we have this great $2 coupon that's also affixing to it. And then we're going to grab a jug of the Tide Simply for $2.95. And please load this $1 coupon. As you can see, the products on the top, the coupons on the bottom, that's how you know you're grabbing the right item because the coupon is showing up. So make sure to load that. And then we're grabbing a bag of the Always Discreet liners for $3. And then we have this wonderful $2 coupon. Find that in the regular feminine care aisle. It's not in a special section. It's just where like the feminine time of the month stuff is found. And we're also going to grab one of these Bic pencils for $1.25. So a little bit of a price drop because it was $2 at one point. And as you can see, we have this wonderful $1 coupon that's affixing to it. And then we're going to grab an Excedrin 24 count. And the final coupon that we have is this $1.50. And always something to have in your household. So let's look at the math for this one. A bag of the Luvs is $6.50. One of the Gain Flings is $3.95. One of the Gain Fireworks is $3.95. One of the Tide Simply, the liquid detergent, is $2.95 on the nose. A bag of the Always Discreet liners is $3. One of the Bic pencils is $1.25, and then one 24 count of the Excedrin is $4.25. Adding all of that wonderful merchandise up together, you have a total of $25.85. So after the Excedrin is scanned in, you punch in your phone number at the speed of light, and you're going to do it so fast you might like cause a fire on that cash register pad. You're going to put your phone number in that quickly. The 5 off of 25 Saturday Dollar General coupons coming off, along with $11 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $9.85 for the 7 items, basically shaking it out to $1.40 each. Now the same deal, let's look at it a little differently. Let's say you don't have a baby, so you don't need the diapers. Let's grab a bag of this CHARMIN toilet paper for $5 on the nose. Unfortunately, we have no manufacturers for it at this time. And we're also going to grab a bag found in the dollar spot of these Dental Life dog bones. We have this wonderful $1 coupon that's attaching to it. So looking at the math, just changing it around, we have the $5 CHARMIN toilet paper, the $1 Dental Life dog bones found in the dollar spot. Now, everything else is identical to the last basket. That include the Gain Flings for $3.95, the Gain Fireworks for $3.95, the bottle of the Tide Simply for $2.95, a bag of the Always Discreet liners for $3, the Bic pencil for $1.25, and the Excedrin for $4.25. So the new total right here is $25.35. After the Excedrin is scanned in, you punch in your phone number right away. 5 off of 25 is coming off, along with $10.50 in digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $9.85 out of pocket for the 8 items, shaking it out to $1.23 per product. If you're considering there's toilet paper here on the line, this is a really great basket. Okay, deal number 4 is 100% digital. You need your cornerstone, which is the 5 off of 25. Please make sure you have that guy loaded to your store card. We're grabbing one of the Always pads for $4. Make sure you scan because all of the products look identical. This $2 is attaching to it. We're also grabbing one of the Tampax Radiant, and this $2 coupon is also attaching to it. And we're also going to grab a bag of the Flings for $3.95, and we have the wonderful $2 coupon that's affixing to it. Along with that, we're also going to grab one of the Venus razors for $7, and we have this wonderful $4 coupon that's affixing to it. And the final item that we're grabbing is one of the men's disposables for $8.50, and this $4 coupon is attaching. Okay guys, looking at the math here, we're grabbing one of the Always pads for $4, one of the Tampax for $4. Make sure again that you're using your Dollar General app to scan to make sure that you're grabbing the right products, because they have so many items that look identical in shape and sizes that if you grab the wrong one, if the $2 coupon doesn't attach, you know exactly what I'm talking about here. So one of each plus one $7 Venus razor, one $8.50 Gillette razor, one of the Gain Flings. Your total for your basket is $27.45. So after the cashier scans your Flings, you punch in your phone number right away. 5 off of 25 along with $14 of digital manufacturers are coming off. You're left with paying $8.45 out of pocket. This does not include your tax for the 5 items, essentially shaking it out to $1.69 each. This is not a bad little basket. Okay, the last basket that we have is with both paper and digital coupons. You need your cornerstone, which is the 5 off of 25. Please make sure you have that guy loaded to your store card, not negotiable at all. First item that we're grabbing again is 3 boxes of the Tampax Radiant for $4. We're going to use 1 digital coupon along with 2 of these guys from the August P&G. As you can see on the right hand side, it says that you can use up to 2. And then we're grabbing 3 of the pads for $4. We're going to use this digital plus 2 $4 coupons also from your August P&G. And then we're going to grab one little thing here of pencils for $1.25, and we have this wonderful $1 coupon. So please make sure you have that $1 coupon loaded to your store card. Alternatively, if you don't have it, I think just sub it out for the dog bones if you might have that digital coupon. Okay, so looking at the math for this, 3 of the Tampax at $4 a pop is $12. 3 of the Always at $4 a pop is $12. That's 24 bucks right there. And then 1 of the big pencils, $1.25. So your total right here is $25.25. At this point, you're going to hand over 4 $2 coupons, 2 for the Tampax, 2 for the Always. That subtracts $8 right there, and that is for the August P&G. Immediately after the cashier scans your last paper coupon, that's when I would punch in my phone number, 5 off of 25, and then $5 of digital coupons, including the 2 for the Tampax, the 2 for the Always, and the $1 for the Bic are all coming off. You're left with paying $7.25 out of pocket. This does not include your tax. Before tax, it's $1.03 per product. That is a fantastic price point. So guys, let's not forget to photograph our receipts and send them off to P&G Good every day. Whole bunch of little gift cards that you can qualify for, along with the act of giving to different charity groups. I think I'm donating right now to some laundry initiative that P&G is doing to help people, you know, buy supplies to clean clothes. And I believe there's also like feeding the homeless and just a whole bunch of great different initiatives on P&G Good every day. You might want to check that out. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.